Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Let's design a business logo using clean geometric custom shape. We begin by placing a rectangle or circle as the core structure. Then we add complementary shapes to build a professional identity. Now we start arranging the geometry into a recognizable symbol. Once the structure connects, we optimize proportion for business appeal. We adjust angles to create balance and harmony within the design. Now we add a secondary shape to introduce depth and purpose. Once alignment is set, we switch to color choices, corporate blues, blacks, or grays. Now the shapes feel consistent and ready to represent a trust brand. Thanks for watching. After refining the logo, we add